So I wanted to show you guys how to do the last set of questions on the last page. There's a formula basically that they're going to use. So I'll do the first one with you, and then you guys will understand how to do the rest of it. Okay? So it says, which of these countries will have the largest population in 100 years? Assume that the population growth rate remains the same. So this is technically a multiple choice question. One of these is the correct answer, but you have to calculate what the population will be within 100 years. Okay? So the way you do this is, and I'm going to write this over to the side. So make sure you write this down, or you have the video up when you're trying to calculate these. So it is going to be the present population, okay? The present population times, so multiplied, 1 point, okay, 1 point, and then the part behind the decimal is the growth rate. Okay? And then to the growth rate, we're going to add an exponent. And that exponent is going to be 100 because it's asking for 100 years. So let's do the first one together so that you see how this works. So Madagascar with 15.2 million people at a 3.2 growth rate. Okay, so let's look at our equation. This is our example. So our present population is 15.2 million. So it's 15.2 times, what's next? 1 with the decimal. What's the growth rate? 3.2. Now, we can't just put 3.2 because this is a percentage. So when we convert this back into a number that's not a percent, it becomes 0.32. Okay? So all of these percentages are going to get a 0 added in front of it. Because you're basically dividing it by 100 to get it back into a non-percentage number. Okay, and remember we have our exponent. So that's to the 100th power. Put this in your calculator. And this is going to give you 354.6 million people. Okay? That's how you do those problems. So B, C, D, and E, you'll do the exact same way. And so whichever one of these has the highest population at the end will be the correct answer. So I know that you guys will not be able to write on an actual document for me to grade. So the way I want you to complete this assignment is to answer the questions on a separate sheet of paper, and then you will be uploading the pictures of your work. Okay? And again, please reach out to me whenever you have a question.